Every pineapple begins in controlled tropical soil. Heat trapped inside fruit reduces its stability. This is where agriculture meets automation.
Rotating this one, skin looks clean. Minor bruisings, diverting to secondary. This one's premium, moving it forward.
Cleaning is controlled, not random. Precision begins before peeling. Now the fruit becomes liquid. Pressure unlocks the sweetness inside. Uniformity ensures consistency in every bottle. Heat protects, cooling preserves.
Travels through a rapid cooling section. Cold water jackets surround the pipeline, stabilizing the juice temperature to preserve flavor compounds and prevent overcooking.
Every seal is calibrated. Now the journey expands beyond the factory.
Barcode confirmed. Stock updating. Levels are good. Next rack. Let's get these juices stocked. Arranging them label forward. And the price tags go here.
From plantation to production, now to the marketplace. And finally, the journey ends in a single glass. Cold storage preserves flavor until purchase. The final choice now belongs to the consumer. from industrial scale to personal space. The same sweetness harvested at sunrise. A journey that began in the field ends in a single glass.